3 weeks ago, at the Economic Summit in Calgary, Premier Redford reassured Albertans that she had no intention of resorting to Klein-style cuts. She and her Finance Minister, Doug Horner, both said that they understood the damage that had been done to our province during those years, damage to our public services, our public infrastructure, and they promised that their government would take a different path. But today, those promises and reassurances are starting to ring hollow.
Unfortunately, the turbulence in education over the past 4 years through unstable funding has led to teacher layoffs and class sizes that have increased and have become far more complex. And this all occurred while Alison Redford has campaigned in making education a priority. She promised to restore past cuts and provide long-term, stable, and predictable funding for school boards. We expect her to make good on this commitment, and so do Albertans.
Now, when the economy is picking up and when the population increases, the demands on those services increase as well. And for the government to even contemplate cuts anywhere on the front lines is absolutely dangerous.
The cuts we anticipate cannot be achieved without affecting direct patient services. We are already hearing of layoffs of frontline staff. When healthcare funding is cut, patients bleed. Here we are, again, as was said, in one of the wealthiest jurisdictions in the world, and we're telling our Albertans that we can't afford the services that they need, demand, and deserve.
And I guess if I was to leave with two messages, the first would be, Ms. Redford, and your cabinet, don't panic. Right? Don't panic. We need to issue them all don't panic buttons. Evidence-based decision-making. And Ms. Redford, it's my assessment that this is a revenue, not a spending problem. It's my assessment, Ms. Redford, that you have the wrong diagnosis and you're prescribing the wrong treatment.